Welcome. I'm Deacon Sowili from the School of Education in the Department of Technology Education. I am here to give a brief report for Tech 290, that is Technology Trip 1, which mainly occurs at the end of second year. It's immediately followed by Tech 300, that is Industrial Attachment. Tech 290 is a course that gives learners opportunity to go outside and interact with the community. It also gives learners an opportunity to visit different firms and companies which is responsible in their areas of study. It gives us ability to practice and to see the things we learned theory in class now in the field, how it is operational. Okay, this Tech 290 happened in Mombasa and Kilifi counties from 29th May 2022. In Mombasa County, we visited the following companies: Kenya Ferry Services, Brolo Kenya Limited, Associated Vehicle Assemblers, KenGen, Power Production Company, and Mombasa Cement. In AVA, that is Associated Vehicle Assemblies, it was our first company to visit on our first day in Mombasa County. AVA mainly deals with assembling of all types of vehicles, from Mitsubishi, Scania, Toyota, and Tata vehicles. In AVA, there are a lot of processes that are involved. The first one is assembly line, where all the materials are assembled together before assembling starts. The second one is the body shop. The body shop gives the outlook of the vehicle. We have the fiber connection, which gives all the required details to be used. And then the paint shop, the spray booth. And then we also have the finishing section. In this section, it is where the finished vehicles stopped and now they are ready to be supplied to the clients. Our second factory to visit was Ferry Services of Kenya. Ferry Services of Kenya initially was Kenya Ferry Services, but it was later renamed to Ferry Services of Kenya under KPA. It is now a department under KPA. In Ferry Services of Kenya, there are number of ferries that are found there. There is Nyayo, which is one of the oldest ferries. There's Kwale. Kwale ferry was constructed in German. There's Likoni. Likoni was also constructed in German, but all of them started operating in the year 2010. We also have Jambo and Safari Ferry. Safari Ferry have a capacity to carry about 65 vehicles. Jambo Ferry was constructed in Turkey. The main purpose for Ferry Services of Kenya is to cross goods and humans from the highland to the other side. Ferry Services works 24 hours in 7 days, with the pilots having shifts of 8 hours per day. There are a lot of services that are involved. Mainly, they have the body that is responsible for response in case there is an accident. They have the body that is mainly responsible for maintaining and servicing the ferry. And they also have a warehouse which has all their machines and spare parts in them. Another factory which we visited was KenGen. At KenGen in Kipevu, at KenGen, it produces electricity to subsidize the electricity that is available in the country. At KenGen, there are around 6 engines that are 60, which is a 60 megawatts. To mean each engine is a 10 megawatt. There are also generators. They have 11 kilovolts generator, 33 kilovolts, 132, and 400. These are the step-up transformers which steps up the power before they are transmitted to the national grid line. At KenGen, there is a section for tank yard that is mainly used to store the crude oil that is used to generate the electricity. Some of the oils which are used at KenGen are IDO, DFO, and HFO, heavy fuel and industrial fuel. There is also a lube oil which is used in the generation. There is also the centrifugal purification, where the crude oil is taken to be purified before it's allowed into the machines to start the process of generating. Bunkering is the process of receiving the fuel at KenGen. Fuel treatment area consists of fuel separators, that is the centrifuge, which operates under centrifugal principle. The separator moves at a speed of around 7,000 revolution per minute, so that it can separate all the fuel effectively. KenGen is a very important company in the government of Kenya, because it subsidizes the amount of electricity we consume in our country. The next factory to which we visited was Brolo KE Limited. Brolo KE Limited mainly deals with the production of tubes, of welding sheets, and also recently they have introduced a section that will be dealing with the production of iron sheets. Iron sheets that will be used, but it's not yet rolled out. Their first production, they only used it to roof their factories roofing. In Brolo, there are a lot of activities that takes place. Number one is the shielding of the mash, shielding of the tapes, slating, shearing, chunking, and indexing. Indexing is the process of shaping the sheared pieces to form the desired shapes. The main source of raw materials for Brolo, it's mainly shipped from overseas, where they ship large amount of metal. Then it's splitted into different sizes for manufacturing different types of tubes. They also have a section for manufacturing water tubes, a section for manufacturing water tubes, and also a section for manufacturing normal tubes that are used for welding. Another factory we visited was Mombasa Cement. Mombasa Cement was established in the year 2007, and it is found in Kilifi County. Main core activities of Mombasa Cement include extraction of raw materials, which the main raw materials for manufacturing of cement include silica, calcium, and iron. These raw materials are taken, they are grinded into very, very fine particles, then they are mixed in different ratios according to the type of cement that is being prepared. After they are grinded, they are mixed, then they are burnt together. They are burnt together under very high temperatures in a kiln to produce the final product, that is the cement. Mombasa Cement boasts of being the largest cement manufacturer in Kenya and Eastern Africa. It has about 3,000 workers and supplies cement to East Africa and Kenya. So this was the report for Mombasa Cement and for the whole trip. We would like to acknowledge the Almighty God for giving us life and for giving us this trip, and the Technology Education Department, Moi University, headed by Dr. Keter. Thank you.